Hey, welcome to a quick product highlight for Medical Gear Outfitters. So we carry the DynaGel. This is a moisturizing wound gel. So when you have a wound such as like an ulcer, a deep cut that you're trying to get healed, then you can apply this and it's going to help with the healing process. So this is going to be really good for managing those ulcers, pressure sores, those diabetic wounds, even some burns and surgical sites. I think this is good for someone looking for an addition to their home first aid kit, maybe in a professional setting like a workplace first aid kit, or if you have someone who's a diabetic or post-surgery, I think this is a good item to have around. So it does have some vitamin E and aloe in it, so those burns, first, secondary burns, even cuts and scrapes, this is going to be a good item to have around in our kit. So I'll put a link down below to medicalgearoutfitters.com if you're interested in purchasing.